A majority of the Supreme Court 7-member panel have nullified President Muhammadu Buhari's Executive Order 10. The order empowers the Accountant General of the Federation to deduct funds for the state legislature and the judiciary from the Federation allocations to the state. However, all the 36 states, through the Attorneys General, filed a suit on September 17, 2020, contending the constitutionality of the executive order. In a split decision on Friday, the majority of the court's 7-member panel agreed that the president exceeded his constitutional powers in issuing the Executive Order 10. Meanwhile, legal experts have thrown their weight behind the ruling of the Supreme Court. In an earlier interview with TV360 Nigeria, legal practitioner Liberus Oshoma explained that an executive order should not override the Constitution.
That is not how you enforce provisions of the Constitution. No matter how good an executive order is, it cannot take the place of constitutionality in a constitutional democracy. And so what should have happened ordinarily would be to spell out what should be done in the event that that order of the law is violated. It is the same law that empowers, that gives powers, that is the same law that should spell out what should happen in the event of violation. In one breath, the governors are arguing that you cannot give autonomy to the courts. But in another breath, they are saying that these courts should belong to the state high court, should belong to the federal government. The capital project for the state high court should be, the responsibility of those projects should be for the federal government. And so it's like blowing hot and cold from the same mouth. And so what the Supreme Court has said, the Supreme Court has identified the fact that these courts are state-owned, but that to enforce autonomy for this court, you do not need an executive order, but an amendment to the Constitution.